Hello friends, in this video we take a look at a very interesting problem type on percentages, that is the case of a dishonest merchant. So what the story of this dishonest merchant is that let us say he is dishonestly weighing 100 grams short for every kg that he sells. So if he is dishonestly weighing 100 grams short on every kg that he sells, then what will be his profit percentage? So here is a question in front of you. The question is, if a merchant dishonestly weighs 100 grams short for every 1 kg that he sells, find his gain percentage if he sells his goods at cost price. So you should pause this video, attempt this question, and then you should continue with the video. So the concept here is that if I look at the cost price and for let's say for 1 kg of the items, let's assume that the cost price is 1 gram per unit. So for 1 kg 1000 grams he has to pay 1000 rupees. So rupees 1000 is what he has paid towards cost price. When he is to sell, he is dishonestly weighing 100 grams short. That means that instead of giving 1000 grams, he is giving only 900 grams. So if he is giving only 900 grams, that means that when he is charging 1000 rupees, he is giving only 900 grams. So his cost price would be only 900 rupees. Because if he is giving only 900 grams, the cost that he has incurred is only for that 900 gram. If the cost that he has incurred is only for that 900 gram, when he is getting 1000 rupees from the customer, he is actually giving him product worth only 900 rupees. Because it is given that he is selling at cost price, so selling price will be 1000 rupees only. So very clearly from here, cost price is 900, selling price is 1000. What is the profit percentage? 10 upon 10 minus 9, 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9 is 11.11%. So 11.11 percentage is his profit here. So this is the first case when he is stealing on the selling side. Let's take another example wherein he is stealing on the buying side. So when he buys the item, for every 1000 gram that he buys, let us say he is stealing another 100 gram. If he is stealing another 100 gram for every 1000 gram that he buys and then he sells it, what will be his profit percentage? So now what is happening is cost price, selling price. For every 1000 gram that he is buying, he is stealing another 100 grams. So he is getting 1100 grams for 1000 rupees. If he is getting 1100 grams for 1000 rupees, when he sells it, let us say he is selling at cost price, what will be his profit? What will be the money that he will get? Very clearly, on selling 1100 gram, he will get 1100 rupees. So 1100 rupees is what he will get. So cost price 1000, selling price 1100, profit percentage 10%. This is when he is cheating on the buying side. Third case, when let us say he is cheating on both buy and sell side. If he is cheating on both the buy and the sell side, then what will be his profit percentage? So now what is happening is, let us say when he is buying, he steals 100 grams. When he is selling, he undersells by 100 grams. Then on the whole, what is his profit percentage? You should pause this video here, attempt this question, and then you should continue from here. What is happening is, on the CP and the SP side, when he is paying 1000 rupees, he is buying 1100 gram of the material. So he is spending rupees 1000 and he is buying 1100 gram. When he sells it, for every 1000 gram that he proposes to sell, that he purportedly sells, he is actually giving only 900 gram. So that means that for every 900 gram he is charging 1000 rupees. That means that his selling price per unit is 10 upon 9. if his selling price per unit, so SP per unit is equal to 10 upon 9, because he is getting 1000 rupees for selling 900 grams. So if his SP per unit is 10 upon 9 for 1100 grams, he will be able to charge 1100 multiplied by 10 upon 9 rupees. And if he is able to charge 1100 multiplied by 10 upon 9, on the whole, what will be his profit percentage? Selling CP 1000, SP 1100 into 10 upon 9. So this will be equal to 110 upon 9. So 110 upon 9 minus 10 divided by 10 multiplied by 100. So 110 minus 90 is 20, 20 upon 90. So 20 upon 90, 2 upon 9 is equal to 22.22%. This will be his overall profit percentage. So this is when he is stealing on both the sides. When he is buying, if he is paying 1000 rupees and getting 1100 grams, that means that net for 1100 grams he has paid 1000 grams 1000 rupees. So his cost price becomes 10 upon 11. When he is selling, same thing he does. So this ways, for 900 grams he is able to charge 1000 rupees. So his selling price becomes 10 upon 9. So selling price 10 upon 9, cost price 10 upon 11. We can solve it, we'll get the answer. Let's look at one more variation to this question of dishonest merchant. Let us say there is a merchant who is stealing on both sides, the CP, the buying as well as the selling. On the buy side, what he does is, for every 1 kg that he buys, he is stealing another 200 gram. When he is selling, for every 1 kg that he proposes to sell, he is underselling by 300 gram, let us say. So when buy, he is stealing by 200 grams. When selling, he is underselling by 300 grams. Also, there is a markup of 20%. So the selling price is 20% above the cost price. On the whole, what will be his profit percentage? So when buying, he is, instead of 1 kg, he is stealing 200 grams. When selling, instead of 1 kg, he is stealing another 300 grams. So he is selling only 700 grams. And also there is a markup of 20% from the CP to the SP. On the whole, what will be his profit percentage? So you should pause the video here, attempt this question, and then you should continue from here. Let us see. When he says that he is buying 1 kg, he will have to spend, let us say at rupees 1 per unit, he will have to spend rupees 1000. For this rupees 1000, he will get 1200 grams. So actually his cost price per unit is 1000 upon 1200. When he is selling, for 1 kg, he is underselling by 700 gram. So actually he is selling only 700 gram. And for this 1 kg, because there is a markup of 20%, instead of 1000, he will make 1200 rupees. So effectively, he is making rupees 1200 by selling 1000 minus 300, 700 gram. So my cost price per unit is 1000 upon 1200. My selling price per unit is 1200 upon 700. What is my profit percentage? That should be pretty straightforward from here. So I'll remove these two. My profit percentage is equal to 12 upon 7 minus 10 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 12 multiplied by 100. This is equal to 144. 144 minus 70 is 74 upon 7 into 12. This 10 will cancel upon 70 multiplied by 100. So this is equal to 100 plus 4 upon 7. 4 upon 7 is 57.12. So this is equal to 105.72%. So once again, let us understand the concept here. On 1 kg he is stealing 200 gram. So for when he is paying rupees 1000, he is getting 1200 gram of the material. So his cost price per unit is 1000 upon 1200. When he is selling for 1 kg, he will be charging 1200 rupees because there is a markup of 20%. So 1000 will become 1200. How much item I'm actually giving? 1000 minus 300, 700 only. So my selling price per unit is 12 upon 7. So 12 upon 7 is my selling price. Cost price is 10 upon 12. Very clearly, on the whole, my profit percentage will be selling price minus cost price upon cost price multiplied by 100. So that is the funda of the dishonest merchant. That is your dishonest merchant demystified. Thank you.